Hello and welcome to my 100th video. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am making one page to add to my quarterly calendar that I have for 2024. This page is going to be inserted into my overall master calendar for 2024, and it's going to be full of little reminders for me where I decided to be finding a little more delight in my life by trying some new movies and shows, making sure I go to lots of different coffee spots, and also trying some new recipes, making some invitations, and reading some books. I set this page up so that for each category I would have a way to fill in and record when I did follow through with doing one thing, whether it's coffee, movies, shows, books, or recipes. I'll have a place where I can record when I do actually follow through. So I do like movies and I do like shows, and I've been trying to practice my Spanish, so I've been watching shows in Spanish. So for every show or movie that I watch that's new, I will be filling in one piece of popcorn. And I also love going to coffee. I like to get a coffee and go for a walk. I like to meet a friend. I like to do art while drinking coffee, but I like to go out, and it's just an inexpensive way to have some fun. For invitations, I know that sometimes I can be a little bit shy or even a little bit introverted. And so it's a nice reminder for me to actually make sure that I invite somebody else to do something. And so 20 times this year, I am going to do that. Of course, I love to cook, and I try lots of recipes. These are biscuits on a platter. And so 20 new recipes, that'll be fun. And of course, also reading. I do love to read, and I read a lot of informational books as well as just some stories and things that are fun. And so here I get to record each of the books that I read for 20 books. And I think that'll be nice because every once in a while I forget the name or the author of a book. So it'll be nice to record it for that reason. And also just to be able to see what I've done. So I think that this seems like a really fun way to approach wanting to do a couple little things just for myself this year, and just to keep track and make sure that I'm on track to actually do these things. I was really inspired when I saw other people doing artistic bullet journal pages for their reading, and so I hope that I also inspire you a little or provide you some value. If so, feel free to like and subscribe so you can receive more content, and also so that other people can see these videos as well. All the little doodles on these pages will be filled in as I watch movies, drink coffee in different places, invite people to go do things, try new recipes, and read. So this is what it looks like going into my journal for now. And I'll show you the colors and a little walkthrough on how it fits inside of my 2024 yearly journal. Here's the colors and a quick flip through. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.